Hello friends, myself Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today I am going to discuss topic of job analysis on the course number AVM 2 through 234, whose title is Human Resource Management and Development. Firstly, we will discuss about what is meant by job. In simple words, a job may be understood as a division of total work into the packages or positions. Definition of job is that a job is a collection or aggregation of tasks, duties, and responsibilities which as a whole is regarded as a regular assignment to individual employees and which is different from other assignments. Thus, a job may be defined as a group of positions involving some duties, responsibilities, knowledge, and skills. Now, we will see what is meant by job analysis. Job analysis is the process of getting information about jobs, especially what the worker does, how he gets it done, why he does it, skill, education, training required, relationship to other jobs, physical demands, environmental conditions, etc. Then second definition is job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibilities of a specific job. The immediate products to this analysis are job description and job specifications. So first one is job description. Job description is prepared on the basis of data collected through job analysis. Job description is a functional description of the contents what the job entails. It is a narration of the contents of a job. It is a description of the activities and duties to be performed in a job. The relationship of the job with the other jobs, the equipment and tools involved, the nature of supervision, working conditions and hazards of the job and so on. Then job specification. The job specification focuses on the job, that is job holder. Job specification is a statement of the minimum levels of qualifications, skills, physical and other abilities, experience, judgment and attributes required for performing the jobs effectively. In other words, it is a statement of the minimum acceptable qualifications that an incumbent must possess to perform a given job. Job specification specifies the physical, psychological, social and behavioral characteristics of the job holders. Then we will see what is meant by job analysis process. The process of job analysis consists of following 5 steps. First one is organizational job analysis. Second one is selection of representative jobs. Third one, data collection. Fourth one is job description and last one is job specification. We will discuss one by one. First one is organizational job analysis. Job analysis begins with obtaining pertinent information about a job. This, according to Terry, is required to know the makeup of a job, its relation to other jobs, and its contribution to performance of the organization. Such information can be had by dividing background information in various forms such as organization charts, that is how the particular job is related to other jobs, class classification, that is the general requirement of the job family, job description, that is starting point to build the revised job description, and flow charts, that is flow of activities involved in a particular job. Then second step is selecting representative jobs for analysis. Analyzing all jobs of an organization is both costly and time consuming. Therefore, only a representative sample of the jobs is selected for the purpose of detailed analysis. Then third step is collection of data for job analysis. In this step, job data, features of the job and required qualifications of the employee are collected. Data can be collected either through questionnaire, observation or interview. However, due care should be taken to select and use the method of data collection that is the most reliable in the given situation of the job. The next step is preparing job description. The job information collected in the above ways is now used to prepare a job description. Job description is a written statement that describes the tasks, duties and responsibilities that need to be discharged for effective job performance. The last step is preparing job specification. The last step involved in the job analysis is to prepare job specification on the basis of collected information. This is a written statement that specifies the personal qualities, traits, skills, qualifications, aptitudes required to effectively perform a job. So, this is all about the job analysis. Thank you.